Hey, it's Zach Lipson, Mr. Fix the Realtor. I am going to show you today how to change a light bulb. So the question is, how many realtors does it take to change a light bulb? I'm going to show you it just takes one. So stay tuned. So we are outside my mudroom here, and I have a bulb that broke. You can see up in here, it is broken. So I'm going to change it. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the power off. I might even break off that piece of glass there just so it doesn't cut me. But what I'm going to do is use a pair of needle nose pliers. So I have a pair of needle nose pliers. They come in varying sizes. This is in the smaller size, not super small, but they come bigger than this, so they have longer teeth. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I've turned off the power, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're doing here. We've got this still in here. We don't need to break that off. The idea is, want to simply turn this. See that? Taking the needle nose, turning it. Some of the glass broke, not surprising. Like I said, I mentioned I might break it off, and I did inadvertently, not as intentionally as I planned on it. So for instance, if you've got a light bulb that doesn't turn quite as easily as this one, don't spray WD-40 in there or anything to loosen it up, because again, we're dealing with electricity. Obviously those two don't mix, much like oil and water. So the idea here is take your time, just give it a little turn. All right, and there, well, it popped out. So we've gone ahead, I've taken out the bulb. That was pretty easy. As you saw, it didn't take much force. We would take reverse like this, where I would unscrew it like this. So instead of pulling from this side, we might have to leverage it like this. So just something to think about. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a new light bulb in. That was not too bad. We'll test this out in a second once we turn the power back on. So we've turned the power back on, and boom, it works. So easy enough. Anybody can do that. Love if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Let me know some ideas you'd like to see on here. Practical homeowner tips, things of that sort. And on the next episode, we'll hopefully cover one of your ideas. Have a great one. Bye.